I ordered this fog light from Amazon. The fog light actually came as a pair. Unfortunately, it did not come with a bracket. They assumed that the bracket's actually still connected to the car. In my case, the bracket actually was not in the car. So I had to actually go to the junkyard to get a bracket. But I couldn't find the exact bracket for the fog light. Instead, what I found was I found this part that is it's actually a fog light cover. It's meant for lower trim models that don't have a fog light. What I ended up doing was actually cutting out this piece, okay, and once I did that, the fog light easily fits in. So I've screwed the fog light into the bracket. I just basically used a screw with a washer, um, and as you can see, the fog light fits neatly into the brackets. To get access to the fog light, what I've done is actually undone this little screw over here in the bumper, and that's allowed me to actually pull the bumper up away from this splash guard, and I'm going to actually use this space to actually show you. So to fix the fog light, at the bottom there's a metal tab that basically clamps into the actual fog light bracket at the bottom, and then on top there's a little tab with a little hole in it, and essentially the top portion of the bracket screws into that little plastic tab. To access that fog light hole, I'm actually going to go from under the car. The good thing is the splash guard in this car was removed, so I'll be able to actually access this from underneath. So what I'm going to do is first mount the fog light onto the metal clamp at the bottom. Requires you to push that, okay, and then I have the bolt in here with me. I'm going to feed that bolt in through the bracket and into that plastic tab that attaches onto the bumper, and that's it. Now there should be a little connector here, an electric connector here, that would just basically plug into the bottom of the bracket. As such, and you're done. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that bolt, and the job's done.